Take a slow, gentle breath. Now, exhale all the tension you have been carrying. Today's message is about growth and the reminder that it doesn't always look like progress. Sometimes you think you are standing still, but in truth, you are being stretched, reshaped, and quietly strengthened in ways you cannot yet see. Sometimes the path ahead is dark and you can't see more than an inch in front of you. And yet, that's where the deepest transformation happens. Growth is not predictable, it does not follow a timeline or a pattern. It comes in waves, it hides in the quiet, it often shows up disguised as struggle, exhaustion, or uncertainty. When you find yourself moving through heavy shadows, trust that they are not empty, they are sacred. They are places where you learn to see without seeing, to move without knowing, to believe without proof. These are the spaces where you build your inner vision, the kind that doesn't need external confirmation to move forward. Sometimes your greatest breakthrough are waiting just around the corner of your most challenging moments. The days you feel most drained, most stuck, are often the ones where your attention is being redirected. The universe is showing you what no longer feeds you, what's been quietly stealing your light. That exhaustion is not failure, it's feedback. Healing, too, is unpredictable. It doesn't happen all at once. It's spontaneous. It's cyclic. It comes in fragments. You heal a little when you laugh again. You heal a little when you finally rest. You heal when you forgive and when you stop needing to understand why something happened the way it did. You heal when you begin to love the parts of you that are still learning. If you ever find yourself wondering whether you are growing, pause. Look at the ways you handle things differently than before. Look at how you recover faster, how you communication more honestly, how you listen to your intuition a little more clearly each day. That's growth. It may not look dramatic, but it's real. So today, let your growth surprise you. Stop trying to measure it, define it, control it. The most beautiful parts of your evolution will never arrive on a schedule. They will sneak up on you softly, suddenly, when you least expect them. Here your challenge of the day. Take 5 minutes to write down all the small ways you have changed over the last 6 months. They don't have to dramatic. Maybe you respond with more patience or speak more kindly to yourself. Read that list aloud and say, I am proud of my growth, seen and unseen.